If you do not specify a resolution when you create a project, it will automatically take the resolution of the first video clip you drag into the timeline. To create your sequence, go to File, New, Sequence. Under Digital SLR, I'll pick 1080p 24 and press OK. Drag the video clip into the timeline and keep existing settings. In case you want to change the 16:9 aspect ratio to something else, go to Sequence Settings, and here where it says Frame Size is where we can do our adjustments. For TikTok or Instagram stories, let's change the dimensions to 1080x1920, which takes it to 9:16 aspect ratio, and click OK. A pop-up window will appear, don't worry, just click OK to proceed. Here is the 9:16 aspect ratio that perfectly fits on mobile. Go to the Effects control and scale the video to where it fits the frame. Make necessary adjustments to your liking. Let's try another option. Go to Sequence Settings, and let's create the portrait dimension that is mostly used on Instagram videos, normally known as the 4:5 aspect ratio. To do that, change the frame size to 1080x1350 and then click OK all through. Scale the footage and make adjustments to your liking. And here we are. Another option would be square video dimension, also very popular on Instagram. Change your frame size to 1080x1080 and you get the 1:1 aspect ratio. Click OK all through. Scale the footage and make any necessary adjustments to your liking. The last option is one aspect ratio that is popular in movies and theater, the 21:9 aspect ratio. To do that, change the frame size to 2560x1080. And then click OK all through. If you notice it became a bit wider in frame, make the necessary adjustments to your liking. When you upload it on YouTube, it will automatically have black bars on top and below, though there are those who prefer adding it manually. But if you want to do it the professional way, the 21:9 aspect ratio is the way to go. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Till next time, kwaheri.